Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. Today's tutorial is on a blue graphic eyeliner makeup look. So first I started off by blending the Wet n Wild MEGAGLO contouring palette into my crease, and I used a Morphe M441 Pro Firm blending crease brush. And now I'm taking this beautiful glittery blue eyeshadow shade from the ColourPop and POWERPUFF Girls pressed powder palette, and I just pressed that all over my eyelid using my finger. And now for the graphic eyeliner, I'm using the Wet n Wild MEGALINER in Voltage Blue. I first started at the outer corner of my eye and created a wing, and then from there I'm connecting the outer wing to the center of my crease. And now for skin prep, I'm using the E.L.F Mint Melt Cooling Face Primer. This primer works so good, especially if you have oily to combination skin. And if you're a girl that gets it, then you know that we're leaving foundation in 2021 and only using concealer in 2022. I'm just kidding. But here I am using the JOSIE MARAN Vibrancy Argan Oil Full Coverage Concealer, and I absolutely love this concealer. I just applied it all over my face and then I blended it out with the Equate Flat Kabuki brush. This concealer blends out like a dream, and I'm using it in the shade Light. Now we're going to bring some warmth back to the skin. I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Caramel. I applied it along my cheekbones, on my forehead, and starting below the beginning of my eyebrows. And I love to blend my cream contour out using this brush from Urban Decay. Unfortunately, I don't believe that they sell this brush anymore, but I use it to just tap the cream contour into the skin instead of swiping. I love this brush because I can use one end to blend out the cream contour, and I can use the other end to apply a cream blush. Then I take my Equate Flat Kabuki brush and just blend along everything. For cream blush, I'm using the PIXI Beauty On The Glow blush, and I recently discovered this POWERPUFF face triangle from Amazon. I seen somebody using it on TikTok. It will literally make your makeup look airbrushed. I'm dusting away any baking powder that's left over using the Real Techniques makeup setting brush, and then I'm just applying some powder, bronzer, and blush, and I will of course leave every product that I used in the description box below. I like to go over each cream product that I used using a powder just to intensify and really ensure that the product will be set. And you know I can never forget the inner corner highlighter. I'm taking the Morphe lip pencil in the shade Honeymoon to line my lips, and I like to just blend along the lip liner before applying the lipstick. And the final step of this makeup look is setting my makeup using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.